Actually, ma'am, nakakasad nga po na nangyari na meron na talagang identified na dalawang factions. Kasi nagsimula po ito lahat, we were really united in solidarity to show our unwavering love and support doon po sa ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. After the meet and greet nung 23 po, there seems to be parang an effort to control individuals, especially me and Aldo, which actually one of the individuals na na-mention ni dati spokesperson Harry. So ma'am, ako po kasi wala po akong grupo, wala po akong any affiliation or whatnot kasi nga po ayoko talaga ng drama, gulo or ganito because nalaman ko kasi ma'am yung mga grupo-grupo, they are very prone to solicitation or donation, yung mga ganun. Ayoko kasing mahaluan or ma-associate yung pangalan ko ma'am sa mga money making whatsoever na sinasabi ng ng karamihan. So actually before sinabihan ako, why don't you join us sa grupo namin ganito. Sabi ko it's okay. Okay lang po ako on the sides lang po ako kasi gusto ko lang po magpakita ng suporta bilang isang ordinaryong mamamayan. Ay, ang nagawa ko palang ganoon, they took it as a form of disrespect because I am not obeying what they want to happen. Sabi ko naman, I came here in my capacity as a private citizen, so I will be here in my capacity as a private citizen. Wala naman po akong problema sa mga grupo-grupo at wala po akong problema, ma'am, sa DDS at saka sa Maisog na organization or sa pangkalahatang DDS individuals na sumusuporta kay PRRD. Ang akin lang po, ma'am, ayaw kong ma-shackle in what seemed to be an organization kasi nga, I hate it when people try to manipulate me on paano ba ang dapat kong gawin because the same group also expressed their disappointment kung bakit kami araw-araw dito sa labas ng ICC detention facility or dito pa nga kami una sa Duterte Park. Sinabihan kami na bakit kayo nandiyan, nakakahiya kayong mga Pilipino kayo, dapat meron kayong proper decorum, bakit kayo nagkakainan, bakit nagsasayawan. Ang explanation ko naman, it is already inculcated in the culture of Filipinos. Nabahaan ka na, nasunugan ka na, at kung ano-ano pang nangyari na trahedya, Filipinos will always find a reason to smile and to carry on, showing resiliency in the process. So, yun po ang ginagawa ng mga kababayan natin dito kasi lalong-lalo na po yung pumupunta pa galing sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. They come here, of course, they expressed their feeling na talagang they were sad but also they were happy to be present and to show their unwavering love and support to the former president at makiisa sa mga kababayan na nandito. That's why they bring with them food. Sometimes they also purchase other things na pwedeng mapagsaluhan po magiging bayanihan. Ang problema po kasi, there is an effort to control individuals para po sila lang po ang ma-highlight. Wala po akong pakialam kung sino po ang ma-highlight, ma'am, sir. No? Ang akin lang po, ang main concern ko lang, is may pakita yung pagmamahal at suporta ko sa dating Pangulo in the ways I am only capable of doing or carrying. Kasi I am not a lawyer. I cannot influence the judicial proceeding. And it has already been expressed multiple times by the lead counsel and also by the president through the family member visiting. After the visit, sabi ni PRRD, respect the judicial proceeding because knowing the PRRD is a lawyer, gusto niya din na irespetuhin natin ang proseso before the ICC. So yun po, that's where I'm coming from. Wala po akong problema kahit anong grupo. In fact, I was able to work with different leaders from DDS or Maisog, especially with the events that we organize because this is a show of solidarity and unity. Wala po akong problema kung merong grupo ang iba or ganito, I can show up there as well in my capacity as a private individual. So yun po ang sort of very in-depth explanation kung bakit po merong factions. Meron pong faction, I think it is normal in this particular scenario, ma'am, kasi meron naman talagang gustong sila ang mag-lead. Ang iba naman gusto nila na sila ang ma-recognize. Wala po akong pakialam kung mag-lead kayo or ma-recognize kayo because I'm here kahit mag-isa lang po ako.